Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at my greenhouse shelving for the new temperate greenhouse. I have had the temperate greenhouse up for about a week now, and I ordered some shelving for it, which just came in today. And this in front of you is not it. This is the old shelving from my old greenhouse. I was using that in the meantime until the new shelving came. It's old and rickety and made of cheap sort of materials. All of these pieces were cracking, so I linked three together. It was 2 and 2 in the old greenhouse. I linked three together for one long row, and then I had like a little side shelf as well in there. And for this last week, I put my plants back on the shelves where they kind of originally were sitting. It didn't give me a lot more room because it was the same amount of shelves in there. So I'm looking for something that has more room in that. So I ordered a new shelving unit, a greenhouse shelf, similar to this, but it looked much better quality from Home Hardware. That's a Canadian chain. And anyways, I had to order it online, and it took a week to get here. Then I had to go pick it up at the store. And I just put it together today. And why don't we go take a look at my new shelving unit compared to this rickety old thing here. Okay, so here's a look at the temperate greenhouse. It's all finished, and it did have the last shelving that I just showed you in it up until an hour ago. And I emptied my temperate plants out of there, and some of them were in the house behind us, and some of them I moved to the other shelf. I made this one up, and let's go in and have a look at it. I just put it back together. The shelves are 18 inches wide instead of 12, so I can put trays this way, which is really nice. And it's planning on having trays. You can see them how they're this way instead of this way. Meaning I could have 3 trays, and then 3 more trays, then potentially 3 more trays, and 3 more trays, to fit 24 trays on this. So anyways, I put it together, and it came with like these little tiny zap straps here. So I got it in here, and I put 2 trays on, and the thing is a piece of crap. It can't even hold 2 trays worth of weight, and it's a totally empty shelf. This thing is wobbly in every direction. It is just the biggest piece of crap. Now, I realize it's cheap shelving, and I realize the stuff in the house that I just showed you is cheap shelving. But this is a lot more expensive shelving than that other cheap shelving. I'm like, it has a middle brace to it. The pieces, instead of being like little tiny things that can crack, are big long pieces that are all connected together. But it is absolutely a piece of garbage. So I just wasted my day waiting for them to call me to say this was in stock. I just wasted an hour putting it together. I wasted this morning taking all the plants out of here. And now I have to waste more time taking this thing back apart because it's absolute. Look at this. This is me just pushing on it with one hand or one finger. I couldn't imagine having a full thing of plants on here. These plants don't even have water in them yet. This is just literally 2 trays of plants. And it can't even hold the weight. It's just like unsafe. I'm shocked at this. So, anyways, my review on these guys is make sure you do not buy these shelves. Oh my god, they are a piece of garbage. I don't even know what they're called, but I'll name the shelves in the title, and I'll make sure to call it that shelf review to warn people. They don't keep them in stock. They don't have anything set up. I had to order them in online. Again, that's from Home Hardware. It's the only place I could find them. They are around though, so I warn you. I've seen them in places in the States too. And I thought it was going to be great because if this thing was solid, it would have held 24 trays. I can't even hold 4 trays. So you can tell I'm doing this video and I'm a little pissed off. So I'm ranting a little bit. So I'm going to leave it at that. And I'm now going to waste the next little while trying to figure out what new shelving I can put in here. I got to take this thing back out. I'll move those 2 back over to this. This thing here is like solid. This is like my old piece of garbage shelving. Solid as a rock in comparison to this wobbly thing here. So I'll put all my things back on this shelf here and take this apart, put my old greenhouse shelf back in for now. And then I don't know what I'll come up with. Maybe some metal shelves. Maybe some more of those kind of plastic shelves. I'm not sure. I just was looking for something that was a little wider so I could put my trays this way, like you see, instead of that way, like they were. Anyways, there's my review on this greenhouse shelving. It is a big, huge thumbs down. Don't buy this crap. And yeah, we'll see what I come up with next. Anyways, if you like this video, you want to see more reviews like this, other greenhouse products, that sort of thing, updates on my greenhouse, temperate and tropical, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching and listening to my rant about this piece of crap. Bye guys. I'm back because I forgot to mention something. Out of desperation, although they gave me 2 of these little zap straps per shelf, I used my heavy duty zap straps on here to try to anchor everything together, just like out of desperation to save this thing before I take it back. But even with everything tightly zap strapped together, it just doesn't work. So if you're wondering why the heck I had all of these extra zap straps on there, it was just me trying to like stabilize it further, but it just simply didn't work at all. So anyways, bye guys.